Welcome back to another episode of Break It Down. I'm your host Esteban, and this week I'll be breaking down the U's matchup with the Clemson Tigers. So let's get right into things. While the U wins, the Canes are amongst the country's leaders in sacks and tackles for loss so far this season. Guys like Andrew Smith, Olivier Vernon, and Sean Spence have been making big plays behind the line of scrimmage. And Clemson this week is without one of its starting guards. I just see more of the same for the defense, and because of that, I see Kyle Parker struggling. While the U needs to be careful, I'm going to feel like a broken record. INT. 2 more for Jacory again against Pitt last week. Clemson took one back last year for a touchdown. If Jacory isn't careful with the ball, they could do the same this year. Against a team as talented as Clemson, you will not win if you continue to turn the ball over at such a high rate. Key individual matchup. I'm going with Cane linebacker Sean Spence versus Clemson tight end Dwayne Allen. Allen is Clemson's top wide receiver this year and was on the preseason Mackey Award watch list. Last year, covering tight ends was impossible for UM. It will mainly be Spence's duty to shadow Allen and take away Parker's #1 choice. Player of the game. I'm going with wide receiver Travis Benjamin. Whether it's from a punt return, a reverse, or from a catch, I'm predicting 2 touchdowns and over 200 yards of total offense for Benjamin, making him this week's #1 difference maker. Once again, I'm Esteban. Thanks for watching this week's installment of Break It Down. Remember, you can listen to me and my co-host BG1906 on Hurricane Alley every Sunday night at 6 p.m. on Blog Talk Radio /UFR Sports. Till next week, it's all about the U.